In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy games from Steam using Google Pay, Paytm, debit card. First, sign into your Steam account from the desktop app, the website, or the mobile app, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, head to the Store tab on the top menu. This is where you can browse featured titles, search for specific games, or jump straight to your wishlist if you've already saved a few. When you find the game you want, open its store page and click Add to Cart. If you're planning a mini haul, repeat that to build your cart. When you're ready to pay, click the cart icon in the top right corner to review everything. Take a moment to confirm the game editions, any DLC you meant to include, and the total amount. Steam will show regional pricing and applicable taxes for India, so make sure those numbers look right. If you plan to use UPI methods like Google Pay or Paytm, ensure your Steam account region is set to India so those options appear. When everything looks good, choose Continue to Payment or Purchase for myself to move ahead. Now it's time to select how you want to pay. Steam supports multiple options here. If you want to pay with UPI using Google Pay, Paytm, or even PhonePe, select UPI from the payment methods list. Steam added direct UPI support in India via the Komoju gateway, so the flow is simple and integrated. Typically, you'll either be asked for your UPI ID or you'll get a prompt to approve the payment in your chosen app. Keep your payment app handy, you'll need to confirm the charge within the time window shown. If something doesn't appear, recheck your region and try again. Prefer a debit card? Choose debit card and enter the card number, expiry date, and CVV exactly as they appear on your card, along with your billing address. Make sure the address matches your bank records to avoid declines. After you click to continue, your bank may ask you to verify the purchase through an additional authentication step. Complete that promptly to finish the transaction. You can also use a prepaid wallet if that's already set up on your account. It's a convenient fallback when you're managing spending or don't want to authenticate each time. Once your payment is confirmed, Steam will finalize the purchase and add the game to your library. You can start the download right away or queue it for later. And that's it, quick, clear, and ready to play. Thanks for watching.